Hello and welcome to Marty's Electro Rails. Now, what we're going to do is we are going to try and fix this webcam. Now, it's a Logitech and it's 1080p, and the issue we have is the USB's been ripped off the end. Now, you could solder another USB on, but I'm not 100% sure what the actual wiring is relevant to. Obviously, I think that's obviously red power and black is ground, and these two data cables. Now, it's hit and miss what these are. As far as I know, I should really actually have looked it up, but what I do have is a replacement cable, which means taking, it looks so there is a bit of soldering, and there's a little plug for that. So what we'll do is we're going to see if we can try and take this apart. I don't see any screws on this, so what I'll do first is I'll take these pads off and see if there's anything underneath that. If not, I think we're going to have to look online and see how to do that. So I'm just going to continue on with this and see how I go. Alright, it doesn't look good. Oh, I can actually feel there's indentations in there, so I wonder. Oh no. Yeah, obviously I'm messing this up, but oh, there's a sticky pad. Right. Try and not cut it. Oh, we've got some little screws. Right, so we'll do the same to the other side, and then we'll take these screws off and see what the next challenge is. So we'll stick the very small screws in here. Oh. Just try and keep them all together. No. See, that's what I don't want. These are for face ones. Right, let me get back to you. Alright, as you can see, I have taken it apart. It wasn't nice, because those first two screws just weren't budging. You really don't want to know. So I had to have a wee look online, and there's a YouTube channel with a guy named Gerald Poole of how he basically took this apart, and well, he did an incredibly good job of it, as where I didn't. So what I'm going to show you, I will show you basically me soldering this. Also, I'll leave a link to that video of basically how to take it apart properly. So here we go. So I want to, there's that little connector, it's the same as that. Now, there's one little bit that just needs soldered, so I'll do that just now and I'll replace this cable. So first of all, I'll take this out incredibly gently, kind of, and I'll set up this to get soldered. And well, let's just keep our fingers crossed I haven't completely broken it. Okie dokie. Okay, helping hands out. I also, if you can see, on the actual solder station, I have 2 helping hands as well. But I actually prefer this because it's obviously more sturdy. Right, so we're just going to fit this in and we're going to desolder this. Just click that on there and there. And let's give this a shot. Clean the tip of the soldering iron. Clean it again, and just don't want too much heat hitting this. It is melting, which is a good thing. Don't need any persuasion. Well, I say that now, it seems to be not playing the game. Just like that. Let the heat. I can feel the heat going down into this, but let's have a wee look at the other one. That's just a straight pin, so it should in theory just come out. Just making sure I'm not going near anything else. Yeah. There we go. I'll do, that's now gone. So take that out of the housing. Get rid of that, bring in the new one. So I'll fit into the housing. So, got to always remember to do that. Now I want to clear this up a wee bit. So I've got some solder wick. Clear this up first. Actually, do you know what? Let's just try and see if this will actually, I need to make sure I have to solder it on its side so that I can see where this is going. Let's melt the solder. And there's some movement. It's not ideal. Why couldn't they have just mounted this onto the socket? Right, I've got that starting, so I'll bring that down so I can actually see what's happening with the solder. I'll just put it into its place. Let the solder melt. You know, I might. That's not bad. So I'm just going to see. Yep, that's in place. I'm just going to put. Oof, I need to let the board cool down. So I'm going to plug this back in. Yep. And put it back together. I'm just going to double check that it's working. So yeah, I'll be back in a minute. Alright, just going to check to see if this actually works. Probably not see much of this because of the black mat, but hopefully we'll see it light up. Ain't seen anything yet. Let's see. Alright, okay. Oh dear. Come on. What we have. Yep, we've got that up and up. That's shown up on. So it's not lit up yet, so we're just going to kind of webcam up. Oh, they look great. Alright, cool. Right here. And coolio. We have it up and running. That's excellent. Right, I'll put this back together and see if we can set it up, see what it looks like as a camera for the workbench. Right guys, see you in a minute. Alright guys, this is the footage from Logitech C920. It looks like a pretty good camera, so I think I might actually leave this permanently installed on my workbench for future videos. So on that note, thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.